set of packaging that we're going to DIY into something new is actually going to be packages that have boxes included with them. So if you have a deluxe cover from Happy Planner, one of the ones they previously released, they always came packaged inside this pretty sturdy cardboard box. It's a great size. The only thing about it that I'm going to be changing is going to be, I want to go ahead and paint over the sides, and I'm probably gonna go over this with black Sharpie just so we keep the black the way it is on this side, because I like that. And then on this side and this side, paint it rose gold. Alternatively, if you have wide washi tape, you can also cover the side with the washi tape of your choice. I have a big thing of rose gold spray paint, so I'm going to use that because that's what I have. You have to wait a little bit longer, obviously, if you spray paint, but you can get the same effect. Now, if you're like me and you have these in different sizes, so I have one for the classic, you might have one for the big, which is going to be a little larger. I have two of these smaller size that are from the mini. And what I'm going to be making with this are holders for my disc. So right now I have my disc inside these little like gift bags that I get from my ear fleek because it's what I was able to put them in. So this is the expander size, and as you can see, expander size disc fit really, really well inside of the classic size deluxe planner box. And I have a bunch of expander discs that need homes. So here's some more here. So I'm going to make this into something to hold my disc. And conversely, the mini size deluxe holder actually will fit the classic size pretty well. Like keeping it in here for now, but see, which I do have a lot of as well. So I may use the last one just to put mini size disc in, or I might keep those separate. I have this huge thing you might remember from when I did my filler paper organization. I took all of the happy notes and everything off of their expander disc and their classic size disc. So I have a ton of discs, and they're really not accessible, and I don't know what colors I have. I really want to go through and change things up and get them stored properly. So that is actually what I'm going to be using these for. And I don't think you could have made a better size box for holding these if you tried. These are already the perfect size, and they just happen to be something that you got with an item that you already have. So again, we're reusing everything, we're being sustainable, we're making sure we're using all of the products. The last thing I'm going to be doing is a little bit outside of the Happy Planner realm. We're going to be making and this is the cardboard box. This is actually what my guided journal kit, so if you have like one of the kits that comes together with a bunch of stuff, it'll probably come on like a tray like this. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to spray paint the sides and all of this area here where it's black into rose gold. And then I'm going to take some scrapbook paper and larger Happy Planner stickers and do a decorative element on the base of the tray. I actually don't have a lot of like spring Easter decorations going on for my table in the living room and places like that, and so this is a beautiful size for that. And we're going to be able then to use another piece of basically not necessarily recyclable material, because it's got like foil and print on it, so that we're not wasting anything. So the next thing I'm going to do is get these ready to be spray painted. I'm going to go spray paint them. We're going to let them dry, and then we can go ahead and decorate this one and start loading and organizing discs into these. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all, after I got the spray paint dried, I went ahead to the boxes and I just added some stickers to cover, you know, any parts that I wanted to decorate, or just like where the spray paint wasn't even. And you don't even have to decorate it. You could just use the box for storage, but I did like to go ahead and decorate the outside. So there is that one. And then I have the smaller ones. I use the Florals, a mega book, and the Year to Shine quotes, because I just had those handy. So I really like how it turned out, and it's going to match my rose gold cart. So now that those are done, I will actually be able to use them to organize my disc. And I have a lot of discs, so I'll maybe do an organize with me where I put the disc into here, just as like, or a reel or something to show you what it looks like. But we'll move on now to decorating our tray. So I wanted to show you guys what the tray looks like now. I have completely finished painting it. I'm not too worried about covering the whole bottom because they're not going to see it. But I did finish covering the whole top, and I wanted to add a little bit of my kind of cottagecore aesthetic. So I have my English Country Signature Collection pad by Sarah Davies, and I really love this kind of country floral theme. So I have cut that down with my I use this, you could just use scissors. I've cut it down to about the size of a regular sheet of paper and place that in. So I'm going to glue that down, and then I'm just going to add some paper stickers from the Floral Mega Book onto it, and I will show you the finished product. So here is the finished product with everything covered. I did decide to add some washi tape to create a decorative border, and then I just layered the paper stickers over. Now, if you are happy with how that looks, you can just stop and have this as a nice little decorative tray. Obviously, it's not totally waterproof or anything like that. To make it a little bit more durable, I'm actually going to cover it with Mod Podge and let that dry as the final step. But this is my cute little cottagecore inspired DIY tray from Happy Planner Materials. So that is it for this Trash to Treasure DIY time. I hope you guys really are enjoying these DIYs and getting some ideas about how to recycle, reuse, repurpose Happy Planner packaging and materials. I will have an organize with me coming, some more plan with me soon, so subscribe, stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments any DIY ideas you have that you'd like me to try. I am always game for those, and I will see you soon. Bye.